Smokey and the Bandit. That's where most of us first fell for the second-gen Trans Am. The cars didn't always age as well as the legend, but with the right shop, they come back swinging. This one belongs to Josh Kilgore. SloPokes SpeedShop in Jasper, Tennessee, took it from a tired 79 to a ground-pounding Restomod in 6 months flat. That Phoenix was Pontiac's signature in this era. Josh's car wears a refreshed factory-style version in Arctic White Pearl. The proportions tell you what changed underneath. The car sits over the wheels, not on top of them. The Trans Am script reads sharp because the panel underneath is straight. This is the bar SloPokes sets. Same fascia as in 79, every piece fresh. The original face, just clearer. The wall behind the car is the SloPokes shop wall. This is where the build lived for half a year. Head on, the shaker scoop sits in the right spot. The team built a custom adapter to mate it to the LS3 underneath. Shop manager Chris Tuders walked Hemmings through it. Goal was simple: classic looks, modern bones. This is where the car started. Original wheels, original everything, badly in need of work. That tired old block on the cradle is what was pulling it around. Gone soon after this photo. The crew got to it. Stripped trim, pulled the interior, gutted the cabin to bare metal, down to clean steel. New floor pan, trunk pan, hood, front fenders, trunk lid. Rust repair list ran long. Bodywork progressed on a steel jig that kept the shell square. Every gap checked and rechecked. This is the inside of the tub during gutting. Nothing carries forward unless it's right. Body filler in skim coats. Blocked, reblocked, then primed. Several cycles of block sanding and priming later. Pre-paint surface, uniform and true. The front clip went into the booth on its own stand. Pieces finished separately, so final assembly came together perfectly. Then it came back outside in Arctic White Pearl. Sikkens base coat, multiple coats of clear. Shell rolled to the front of the shop on dollies. That's what shop pride looks like. Tighter on the cowl. Hood to fender alignment, A-pillar fit. The kind of detail that separates a paint job from a build. With the shell ready, body came off chassis, chassis went under body. New foundation, new everything. Off the car, the power plant. Chevrolet Performance LS3 crate. 525 horsepower, 6.2 liters, all aluminum. ACES EFI top end, single plane intake, port injectors, throttle body, the stuff that wakes a crate motor up. In the bay, the LS3 sits wide. Custom closeout panel SloPokes fabricated covers the radiator and dual electric fans. Chrome accessory drive from CVF Racing. Stainless headers feed a 3-inch exhaust with Black Widow mufflers. Different angle on the bay. Intake hat under the shaker. Pontiac valve cover tying it to the brand. Tight on the accessory drive. CVF makes the bracket. SloPokes routed every line clean. On the firewall, carbon fiber booster and billet aluminum master from Master Power Brakes. Stainless lines feed the Wilwoods. Complete QA1 front. Tubular control arms, adjustable coilovers, sway bar. Out back, Detroit speed springs, QA1 shocks, sway bar. Original 10-bolt with Moser cover, Yukon diff, 373s. Wilwoods through the spokes. 13-inch rotors, 6-piston front, 4-piston rear. Wheels are Forgeline. Factory snowflakes scaled up, 18.8 front, 18.9.5 rear. Gold powder coat, polished lips. Nitto NT555 G2 rubber. Same wheels, different angle, in the shop. Rear pulls flush to the body. Interior was built in-house. Every piece. Dash starts wired and panel prepped. Rear deck went next. Diamond audio in the package tray, custom panels. Seats in console fit one panel at a time. Every gap walked twice. Distressed brown leather, double-stitched in white thread. Once you see it everywhere. Late fitting, white-faced Dakota Digital gauges, Lecarra wheel, flaming river column. Cabin comes together, custom panels, console, trunk, All SloPokes, all matched. The gold Firebird emblem on the seatback is the small detail that ties it all together. Driver POV. Dakota Digital lives inside the original engine-turned bezel, preserved and reused. Door open. Sony head unit hides in a custom console. Old Air handles heat and AC. Trunk 2. Diamond audio in custom panels, brown leather throughout. Finished side profile in the shop. Hood up, T-tops out, ready for show day. Same shot, Phoenix bird catching the overhead light. Earlier in the build, front end on wood blocks. No wheels, no tires. Original mesh wheels for mock-up, while the Forgelines were on order. In the garage with the same gold mesh wheels. The car mid-bake. When it was time, out on a flatbed. 6 months loaded up. First stop, World of Wheels Chattanooga, January 2025. The build placard tells the story in one frame. Every line item earned. Trophies came home. Outstanding custom and runner-up mild hardtop. Goodguys Columbus followed that summer. Wide stance, sky overhead. At home, anywhere it ends up. Going around again. Smokey started the conversation. SloPokes finished it. Hero front. Chassis is correct, so proportions are dialed. Phoenix from above. Factory artwork. Never executed this well by the factory. Hero rear. Stance and substance both. Fender script. Honest work. Quad headlights. Fresh urethane. Mural again. SloPokes has built more of these than most shops. Head on. Mural and car share a Phoenix. In the doorway. The moment the build became a car again. The donor as it arrived. Cradle on the floor. All replaced. Tub gutted. Where every restoration begins. Shell on the jig. Patience does the heavy lifting. Stripped tub from above. Body filler in skim coats. Primered shell on the floor. Nose in the booth. Arctic White Pearl, finally. Shell at the mural. First time it looked like itself. Cowl tight. Fit is the proof. Body lift onto the chassis. Engine on its stand. Same engine, frontal. In the bay, custom closeout panel. Closer. Aces EFI under the shaker. Alt angle. Show car under the hood. CBF accessory drive. Polished, billet, clean. Master power booster, billet master, stainless lines. QA1 front, all powder coated. Rear undercarriage. Detroit Speed, QA1, Moser cover. Forgeline and Wilwood through the spokes. Forgeline, low angle. Snowflake reborn at 18s. Rear Forgeline, half-inch wider. Dash assembly, wired, prepped. Diamond audio in the rear deck. Seats going in, 1 stitch at a time. Late stage fitting. White-faced gauges, brown wheel. Cabin from above. Firebird on the seat. Smaller scale, same bird. Driver POV. Engine turn bezel preserved. Dakota Digital inside it. Door open. Sony, Old Air, AAW. All hidden, all working. Trunk finished. Custom panels, color match. Side profile, in the shop. Phoenix up under shop lights. Pre-wheel build stage. No stance yet. Gold mesh wheels for mock-up. Garage with mesh wheels. Mid-bake. Flatbed delivery. Convention floor. Public looking in. Build placard. The recipe. Trophies and mural. 6 months in. Wins on the lawn. That's the SloPokes 79 Trans Am. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe and tell us which detail caught your eye. See you in the next one.